Jim Porak with Energy Focus. We are an LED lighting manufacturer, one of the premier lighting manufacturers in the world. We have contracts with the U.S. Navy, we've been outfitting the Navy ships, subs, since about 2005. All of the ships have our units, and the technology was developed on a grant from the U.S. government that we won back in 2003 for $10 million. So everybody here, thank you for paying your taxes for that. It developed the best lighting in the world, 10-year warranty. We have lights that have been out there that have gone beyond 10 years, and they still put out 97% of their lumen output. Today, at this conference, we actually introduced 2 weeks ago, and we have some information in our booth here about UVC lighting, where we have 3 products that are being available in Q1 of next year. The first one we call Nuvo. It's a freestanding tower that stands about 41 inches off the ground, and it circulates the air past a quartz lamp that puts out UVC. So there's no filtration, you don't have to change any filters. It's all about deactivating viruses, specifically the coronavirus. The units are selling on pre-sale on our website, which again is Energy Focus. There's other companies out there that make these things, but their price point is so much higher than ours that this is attractive to everyone to see. It's something that'll be a lot of restaurants now are installing these sort of dome-like outdoor dining areas. These units will be installed in those throughout the whole world. We are taking pre-orders, like I said, just for the Nuvo. If you have any questions on that, you can come by our booth or see me after this presentation. The second UV line is our troughers, which everyone knows what a 2-foot by 4-foot light trougher is. We also do the 2x2. And up above the lighting, in a chamber, isolated from the light that will come down, is a UV lamp that also is going to be doing the same thing, inactivating any viruses. And there's a fan in the unit, so it recirculates the air throughout the room. Ideally, we were working with universities. Just got off 2 calls this morning. I won't mention the universities, but they're in the Big Ten, and they are hoping to have installations. Our first prototype's coming out in December, to where we can put them and install them, and then they do coronavirus testing at their universities with all students before they leave. They want to have the room set up with not only the Nuvo, but we call the other product the Above. So in the future, you're going to be seeing a lot more LED lighting that has quartz lamps. Again, because of the Energy Focus name and the recognition with highest quality in the world in lighting, is why we are moving forward with this. It's actually interesting that we were bringing this product forward before the March shutdown, which I think happened on March 14th because my son's birthday is the 13th. You all remember what happened. But this is something that was in development, and we sped things up because of what's happening in the world around us. Those 2 units are air disinfection. The third unit we are releasing, which actually we'll have in a couple weeks, and then it'll be for purchase, is a robot, which is autonomous. It'll, like, let's say this room was done, we all left, this robot would come in and do surface disinfection everywhere. The lamp we chose for this is significantly larger and more powerful than any other lamp on the market right now. If you haven't heard, the Carolina Panthers purchased a unit. They paid over $100,000 for their robot to go into the locker room where the players work out and get changed. Our unit is going to be priced at $40,000. It's so much more inexpensive because the design we had been working on was simple. The platform is already developed, and we modified this to carry the UV lamp. The robot has a lot of advantages, but it's not something that you would purchase from us and then just let it go in your building. It has sensors for everything, but it also needs to have a certified technician with it. So if your organization wanted to have your own person be certified, that's no problem, we will certify them. Or there'll be companies that start popping up that buy these units from us and provide it as a service. So I don't know if I'm supposed to take any questions during this, but okay, our booth is, when you go out on the left, you know, the little door over there, outside where they've got the break room for everyone that we've been eating, and thank you for everything that's been going on. So it's been exciting. These days are great. We are glad to be helping to do what we can to make the world a better place, and Energy Focus has been on top of it, so we'll be here for you. Thank you.
Yes.